Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DI Tech Trader. Guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to protect your MS Word and MS Excel document with your own password and remove the password. So guys, let's begin. Open the Excel. This Excel document is not protected still now. So guys, click here, click on the file and go to the protect workbook. Click here and go to the encrypt with password and give the password here 123 and retype the password 123 and then save. You can see guys, now you can try to open. You can see guys that the document is already logged 123. And now guys, on the Word document 123, so I will remove this password, delete it and OK and save. So now again how to log, and again retype the password, save 123. Now remove the password. Okay, save. That's all guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share. This is my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming more videos.